Who doesn't love an inspiring story of impossible odds, especially one of a kind? We have another biopic set to release, and its trailer has caught everyone's attention. We are talking about the film Shrikant, starring Rajkumar Rao, Jyotika, and Alaya F. It's a biopic on Shrikant Bola's journey as a visually impaired man from breaking stereotypes to becoming a successful industry leader. So today, let's dive into Shrikant's journey from being an underdog to now a millionaire. Born on 7 July 1991, Shrikant hails from a small village, Machilipatnam in Andhra Pradesh. He was born blind, and his illiterate farmer parents were advised by relatives to abandon him, fearing that he couldn't take care of them when they were old. However, his parents decided to ignore the advice and become strong pillars of support for his dreams. In his early days, Shrikant's father took him to the farms to help, but they soon realized he wouldn't be much of assistance there, so they focused on his education. Due to his disability, he faced difficulties gaining admission to mainstream schools, leading him to attend a specially abled school. After finally being able to study in a school, it still wasn't easy for him. In an interview, he said, "No one acknowledged my presence. I was put in the last bench. I could not participate in the PT class. That was the time in my life I thought I was poorest child in the world. It was not because of lack of money, but because of loneliness." Despite facing challenges, Shrikant excelled academically, topped his class in 10th standard, and aspired to pursue science. Eager to continue his studies, Shrikant faced another obstacle. Our education system didn't support blind individuals pursuing science. Undeterred, he questioned the system and filed a case against the state. After a 6-month wait, he was allowed to pursue science at his own risk. He got all the textbooks converted to audiobooks, and he topped his class with 98% in 12th board exams. Yet he still faced barriers. He wasn't allowed to give entrance exams for IIT because of his blindness. Nevertheless, he remained resolute in his dream to become an engineer and the first blind president of India. He didn't give up. He researched universities outside India, applied to top schools in the US, and got into the top 4: MIT, Stanford, Berkeley, and Carnegie Mellon. He went to MIT with a scholarship as the first international blind student in the school's history. When GE offered him a job after graduation, he declined, stating that he would only return if he couldn't become the president of India. His vision was always clear, and he wanted to come back to India to change the scenario for the marginalized disabled group. He returned in 2012, became the founder of Bolant Industry, a business that employs and educates people with disabilities to produce compostable and eco-friendly packaging. More than 600 people work for the company, with disabled people making up about half of the workforce. Additionally, Ratan Tata has also made investment funding in his company. The company generated enormous profits through his astute business sense, diligence, and commitment. His success and potential didn't go unnoticed in the field of business. Bola was included in the Forbes 30 Under 30 Asia list in 2017. In 2019, the Indian government presented him with the National Entrepreneurship Award. He was awarded Entrepreneur of the Globe by One Young World, UK in 2019. The society may have given him challenges and ostracized him time and again, but he decided to give back and create positive change for the country. He has been a youth leader since 2005 and went on to become a member of Lead India 2020, helping India reach the goal of becoming a developed nation by eradicating poverty, illiteracy, and unemployment. He is the director of Surge Impact Foundation. Founded in September 2016, the organization aims to enable individuals and institutions in India to achieve the Sustainable Developmental Goals by 2030. Today, Shrikant is running a company with a turnover of 80 crores. His target is to achieve a turnover of 1,000 crores, and he is confident of achieving it in the next 3 years, and then go for an IPO and list his company on the stock exchange. A man of this caliber, vision, and a true example of perseverance and determination is what the youth of this country needs today. Shrikant Bola may have been blind by birth, but his vision is stronger and more magnanimous than a person who can see but is a victim of his own self-limiting beliefs. This indeed is a story one of a kind. Tell us in the comments section how do you find his story, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is Leena signing off.